Hello guys, welcome to the most exciting event in the world. So today we will discuss about a good parenting can make achieving student. We will invite a good star who will provide knowledge about parenting.
So, Sakira Amira is an outstanding student from the Faculty of Medicine at University Indonesia. She the winner of Class of Champions 2024. Sakira has an IQ of about 145. Not only has she achieved accomplishment domestically, but she has also successfully achieved various international accomplishments. Sakira has also written 16 scientific publications indexed by Scopus. All of Sakira's achievements are inseparable from the support and upbringing of her parents. She is also doctor. Let's call Sakira and Mama Atika.
Let's welcome Mama Shakira and Shakira. Yes.
How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Alright, so today we will discuss about good parenting can make achieving student. So we were to discussing about parenting. We want to know what kind of parenting you apply to Shakira. If Shakira has an IQ 142.
I'm a doctor, but I didn't take a specialist because I want to take care of Shakira. I gave birth to Shakira when I was doing my course, and then I understood Shakira to get to her grandmother for a few months. So when Shakira and her younger sibling were in school, I chose a school that was a bit far from home because I thought it was good school, and I always drove the children to school from elementary school until junior high. I drove them start from 5:30. While waiting for the children to come home from school, I prepare study material for them, and I grab their study. For example, Monday for science, Tuesday for mathematics, and so on. And I did until Shakira was in junior high. In high school, Shakira chose a boarding school, and her study pattern adjusts to her comfort.
Wow, that's good parenting, right, guys?
Yes.
Wow.
So, how do you profit attention? Sometimes the child is studying, and we also have to give attention. How do you do?
The attention I give to my children is asking about their well-being. For example, after school, how was it? Was the teacher explain well? Then they will the story. Also, how were you friend at school today? So the point is, I also want to be just to my children. I want my children to tell me first if there any problem, so I can help find the best solution. I want to be a home for my child.
Mom Atika work as a doctor, right? So how can nutrition support a children potential?
Nutrition I pay much attention to in the first 1,000 days because a child brain development occurs in the first 1,000 days of life. So I focus on things is like a protein and nutrition.
Oh, wow. Alright, let's start. The winner of Class of Champions. You are the winner, right?
Yes,
What did you do to the winner? Do you have a special start strategy?
I don't have a special strategy. I just won with the flow. From the start, I never set a target like I must be first winner. I just focus on doing my best.
Oh, so in every competition, you only focus on performance, not on winning?
Yes, I do that so the burden isn't too heavy. But there is still pressure because I'm representing Faculty of Health, University of Indonesia. Especially since it's been a high achieving study.
Oh, so that will make you feel like a pressure, right?
Yes,
Then, what about the preparation for the Class of Champions audition?
I was notified. I was notified 2 or 3 weeks before the audition. Even though I usually participate in competition where the preparation can take up to 3 or 4 years. So for me, the preparation was truly lengthy.
Wow, so that competitions requires the much preparation.
The National Science Olympiad.
Sakira, I saw that your IQ rapidly 143. The average IQ of Indonesian is around 70. That means you are twice as high as the average Indonesian, right? That's very high. When was the last time you took an IQ test?
The last time was during the national training, the computer national training.
Wow, that's amazing. How you ever felt impatient if, for example, someone is explaining something, but you already understand it? Like, why are they explaining for so long?
No, I haven't because I usually have my own business. So if someone explains something I already understand, I just work on something else while waiting, so it's not a problem.
Oh wow, is that your advice from your mom that you remember the most?
Yes, there is. My mom always say, if you have tried your best, leave the rest to good. If you lost, then it's not your luck yet. That always makes me feel calm.
Oh wow. Do you have a message for viewers?
Pursue what you love. Don't be afraid to try and maximize your own potential.
So, do what we love to do maximum, right?
Yes,
Wow. Thank you for your time. May you always be successful and thank you for coming here.
You're
welcome.
Okay, see you next time, guys. Bye. Alright, next is analyzing amazing guest, Axel Giovanni Hartanto, a student who has achieved many accomplishments since elementary school. Since elementary school, Axel has participated in the National Science Olympiad (OSN), and he, the winner, uh, a gold medal, as well as the best exploration in mathematics. Not only that, Axel also participated uh, in the prestigious world class Olympiad. That's true, guys. IMO, International Mathematics Olympiad in Japan 2023. As received an honorable mention, currently Axel is continuing his education at one of the best universities in Southeast Asia, the National University of Singapore and US, taking a double major in computer science and mathematics. Let's call Axel and Mom Sarwasi. Miss welcome, Mom Sarwasi and Axel, guys. Hi. Welcome, welcome. How are you? I'm fine.
Alright, let's move to Mom Sarwasi. Our topic today is about parenting. So, what is the parenting style you apply at home, Mommy?
Regarding parenting, I don't force my children to get a rank. The important thing is that their schooling is smooth. However, I only force my children to study math and English because I like math and why do I ask for English? Because I am not very good at English. So my children must be able to speak English and I only support whatever they want. Wow, so in terms of parenting, what style do you tend to apply at home? Are you a firm and disciplined mother? What is the parenting like for a boy? Up until elementary school, I was very disciplined and firm. If they are already in junior high, the child is free to choose whatever they want. We, as parents, only support what the child wants, and parents we just follow. Oh, so what do you think is the main principle in raising children at home? The main things are love, attention, and time. And my love is for my children since they were little. I was the one who looked care of them and drove them to and from school. And I always emphasize these three words. Thank you, I'm sorry, and please. I've loved them since they were little.
Wow, you are amazing, mom. If I were a child, if I accept something, I will definitely hope for a reward from my parents. So, if Excel accept something, are the rewards and punishments, mom?
When Axel and his sibling did good things when they were little, I gave a reward in the form of smiling emoji sticker, which was stuck on the mirror. After 1 month, we count who got the most points and gave a prize the form of a toy. And when Axel and his sibling got good grades, the reward was money, either 1,000 or 10,000 rupiah. The money was saved, which also taught the children to save.
Oh, so every good get a smiling sticker, that's right.
Yes. So, what do you do every time Axel is feeling down? Maybe what I should do is wait until he finished crying. Perhaps when he is crying, I don't immediately hug him because his anger is definitely out of control. So I wait until he calms down and I wait for him to tell the story. I also respond well and I don't get angry if he doesn't win a competition. Wow, amazing mom, right?
Yes.
Alright, you are the runner-up of Class of Champions 2024, right?
Yes,
Wow, that's very cool, Axel. So, are you studying at NUS now?
yes,
Is it a full scholarship?
yeah.
Is studying abroad really what you want, or was three parents support?
I think I have wanted to study abroad since I was a kid. When I applied, I was accepted in Singapore and Canada. And I chose and I chose Singapore because the university ranking is bigger. I like Singapore more and I think it's easy to go back home to Indonesia. I also feel that my parents gave me the freedom to choose where I want to go, but I also discussed it with my parents before making a decision.
Wow, and you chose a double major in computer science and mathematics. How did you find your passion in mathematics? Did your mom introduce you to various hobbies, and did you explore in yourself?
Maybe when I was little, I liked playing Sudoku, which involves numbers because I prefer numbers. Also, In elementary school, I didn't really enjoy memorizing, and I enjoy playing with numbers more. Like mathematics, that's where I really start to like maths.
Okay, thank you your time, guys. I hope you're successful and see you next time, my guys.
See you guys.
Thank you, guys. See you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah. Success, Axel. Okay.
Alright, we have also invited a child clinical psychologist to ask about good parenting. She is Anastasia Satrio, a clinical psychologist for children and adolescents, who is also a book author on mental health and parenting. And there is also a nutrition to us about good child nutrition. He is Dr. Yanes Nathanael.
Please welcome Dr. Yanes and Anastasia. Hi guys, welcome. How are you guys?
Alright, so we all here want to know what is the role of nutrition and nutrition in supporting a child's growth and development.
Balanced nutrition is the main key in supporting a child's growth and development. During the growth and development period, children need the right nutrition intake to ensure optimal body function, including brain development, bone formation, and strengthening in immune system.
Oh, so why is balanced nutrition one of the important factors that must be considered when a child is at an early age?
Because balanced nutrition from an early age also help from heal eating habits, increases concentration, and improve a child academic performance.
So Mama Sakira just said that the nutrition given to Sakira was during the first 1,000 days. So what are a child's first 1,000 days?
The first 1,000 days of life is a critical period from the formation of the fetus in the womb until the child is 2 years old, which includes about 207 days of pregnancy and 730 days after birth. This period is often called the gold period because very rapid brain and physical development occurs. Good nutrition, stimulation, and environment are very important to ensure optimal growth and development. And brain cells continue to develop readily until the reach about 8% of the adult size, which is very decisive for a child intelligence and quality of life in the future.
Oh wow! What are the best nutrition for a children?
The best nutrition for a child brain include omega-3 fat acids, include iron and protein, which can be obtained from fish, egg, meat, vegetables, and milk, and its processed products. Besides that, other important nutrition are folate, zinc, iodine, and vitamin A, B, D, E.
Oh wow!
Alright, we asked about nutrition and nutrition. So now we ask the psychology Anastasia. Alright, as a parent, how important is a children's interest and a talent test?
A child's interest and talent test is very important for parents to help identify the child's potential, direct learning, and support their future career choice.
Oh, so when is the ideal time for a children interest and talent test?
The ideal time for a child's interest and talent test is X 5 until 12 years and X 10 until 16 years. At elementary school age, the test helps parents determine the appropriate curriculum and activities, while the adolescent age helps in choosing a club major of vocational school.
Oh, Amor, that means as a parent, we should test our children's interests and talents from elementary school. In psychology science, what is good parenting like?
As far as I know, there are 5 ways. The first, set clear rules. Second, provide appropriate consequence. 3. Give praise and awards. 4. Provide special time for the child. 5. Avoid physical punishment.
Wow, thank you for the knowledge. May you always be successful and thank you for coming and thank you your time guys.
Okay, thank you for
Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. See you next time guys. Bye bye.
Alright, we also invite a representation from Ruang Guru who organized the Trust of Champions. Belva Devara is the CEO of Ruang Guru.
Please welcome Belva Devara. Hi, how are you Belva? I'm good.
Alright, we will continue with the Ruang Guru representative. So this event has been widely discussed. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Clash of Champions?
Clash of Champions is competition that challenges participants to sharpen their brains and develop other skills like critical thinking and creativity.
So, if I may ask, what is the purpose of this class of champions?
The main goal of Clash of Champions is to provide a platform for students to showcase their best abilities, expand their network, and gain valuable experience.
Before we discuss this further, I'm curious, what the concept of the class of champions?
Coincidentally, Clash of Champions was inspired by the Korean reality show, which is called University War. This show brings together great students from dozens of top university in Indonesia and abroad to compete in a competition of intelligence. 40 outstanding students from various renowned university participated in the event. They were challenges to overcome various brain tightening and mental challenges. The 40 contending students participating in Clash of Champions were divided into 5 batches with a winner selected from each batch.
Cool. Let's continue, bro. What are Ruang Guru's hopes for Clash of Champions?
We hope students will become more confident, motivated to learn, and foster sportsmanship. Furthermore, this competition is also the segment to inspire other students.
Really, thank you so much. My class of champions be even more successful next year.
I mean, thank you too.
Okay, thank you your time, Belva. Thank you. See you next time, Belva. Okay,
Okay, thank you for the time. I hope you always be success, and for Sakira and Excel, keep up the spirit and learning. Okay, guys, that's the end of our discussion today and the end of our reality show today. See you next time, guys.